Dear students, today we will revise the third chapter of history in the earliest cities. First of all, see this map. Today we will discuss about some major sites of this civilization. Basically, this civilization main sites were found in this region as you are looking on the map, and the major cities were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These were major cities. Harappa was discovered first, so it is also known as Harappan Civilization. And this civilization was expanded in three countries: India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. Approximately 1500 cities or sites were identified as Indus Valley civilization sites, right? And in excavation, different kinds of evidences and things were found. So today we'll discuss about the major sites and why they are famous, and which evidences were found in the cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. See this map. Now we'll discuss about the major sites. Okay, you have to listen very carefully, and I will tell something about the cities and which evidences were found. You have to note down. So first of all, we'll talk about Harappa. See in the map, Harappa. This is Harappa. Harappa was discovered in 1921 during excavation for railway line between Karachi and Lahore. So Harappa is famous because here the evidences of granary outside the fort was found, and Mother Goddess also was found. Mother Goddess, the sculpture or statue of Mother Goddess was found, and evidences were found that here Mother Goddess was worshipped, right? So Harappa, it is situated on the banks of Ravi river. Clear? Ravi river. It is situated in Pakistani Punjab. Next one, Mohenjo-daro. Here is Mohenjo-daro. It is situated on the banks of river Indus river to the western side, Mohenjo-daro, and here prepared garments were found, some evidences of seals, statue of dancing girl, and the most important evidence of great bath. So we have discussed about two cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Harappa is famous for the evidences of granary outside the fort, Mother Goddesses, and Mohenjo-daro, situated in Pakistan on the banks of Indus river. Prepared garments were found, evidences of seals, statue of dancing girl, and great bath. Understood? Okay. Now come to here, India. First we'll talk about Indian sites. Ropar. Here, see here Ropar. This is Ropar, situated in present day Punjab. Here building made of stone and soil. So buildings found here in Ropar made of stone and soil, right? You have to remember it. Dog buried with humans, also these evidences were found. After that, Rakhi Gadi. Ropar in Punjab, Rakhi Gadi. Here you can see Rakhi Gadi. This is Rakhi Gadi. It is situated in Hisar of Haryana, Hisar district, Haryana. Mounds found here, and it's very famous site in Haryana, situated in Haryana. After that, you can see Mitathal in Bhiwani district of Haryana, situated in Bhiwani. So Ropar in Punjab, Rakhi Gadi in Hisar, Mitathal in Bhiwani. After that, Banawali. Here, this is Banawali, also situated in Haryana, in Fatehabad district. In which district? Fatehabad district. It is the city of oval shaped, right? Here the settlements were found in oval shape, and Troy plow was used in agriculture to dig the earth. Troy plow was found here, and largest number of barley grains were found here. So it is very important. Ropar, Rakhi Gadi, Mitathal, Banawali. After that, Kalibangan is situated in Rajasthan in Hanumangarh district in Rajasthan. Here lower fortified town means this is the lower fortified town, and fire altars were found here. Fire altars, evidences of fire altar. After that, Ganveriwala, it is in Punjab in Pakistan here, and Bengal factory was found here, means evidences of Bengal factory were found in Ganveriwala in Pakistan. Now come to Gujarat. You can see the sites in Gujarat carefully. First of all, Lothal is very important. Lothal in Ahmedabad district of Gujarat, and it was the port town. And in the previous videos we discussed about the dockyard found here. Clear? So evidences of port means being port town, Lothal. Dockyard was found, and evidences of rice cultivation also found in Lothal. Copper dog and fire altars were also found here. So Lothal is very important site of Harappan civilization. After that, come to the next city, Dholavira, situated in Run of Kutch in Gujarat. It was divided into three parts. Generally, the cities were divided into two parts, citadel and lower town, but Dholavira was divided into three parts. And here dams, evidences of dams were found. A stadium also found here, stadium for playing, and a giant water reservoir found in Dholavira. Next one is Surkotada. Surkotada is situated here in Gujarat. Surkotada, this is very important site because here the evidences of horse bones, right, were found in Surkotada in Gujarat. Next one is Chanhudaro. Chanhudaro is situated on the banks of Indus River. It is situated to the east. Mohenjo-daro is situated to the west, and it is situated to east, right? Chanhudaro is famous because of Bengal factory and ink pot. Some evidences of ink pot found. And the most important thing you have to remember about this city, that it was the only city without citadel, right? It was the only city. This is very important question, that which city of Harappan civilization was the only city without citadel, right? Because citadel was not found here. In Chanhudaro, it was the lower town, completely lower town. So it did not have citadel. Clear? So it was the only city without citadel, you have to remember. And the next one is Balakot. Balakot is famous because Bengal factory was found here in Balakot. So in this way we have discussed about the major cities or sites of Harappan civilization. Once again, see Ropar, Rakhigadi, Mitadal in Bhiwani, Rakhigadi in Hisar, Ropar in Punjab, Banawal in Fatehabad, Kalibangan. Kalibangan means black bangles, right? So Kalibangan means black bangles. So it is famous for this name, Kalibangan. And after that, Lothal, Surkotada, Dholavira, Chanhudaro, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. These were the major sites. Ganveriwala, and about these cities we have discussed. So these were the main sites of Harappan civilization. I hope that you have understood this map. You have to fill this map in your notebook, and you have to note down the main points whatever we have discussed in this video, and revise them and note down in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.